Hi, my name is Mandeep. Let's look at this question. It says stations X and Y are connected by two separate straight parallel rail lines that are 250 miles long. Okay. Train P and train Q simultaneously left station X and station Y respectively, and each train traveled to the other's point of departure. So there are two trains and there are two stations. So let's say this is station X and this is station Y, and the distance between these two stations is 250 miles. Now P is going from X to Y and Q is going from Y to X. The two trains passed each other after traveling for 2 hours. So let's say they meet at some point here after 2 hours. When the two trains passed, which train was nearer to its destination? So we have to find which train would be nearer, or which train has covered more distance in 2 hours when they meet. Let's look at first statement. It says at the time when the two trains passed, train P had averaged a speed of 70 miles per hour. So if the average of train P was 70 miles per hour for 2 hours, so in those 2 hours P would cover a distance of 70 into 2, that is 140 miles. So P has covered 140 miles. That means Q would have covered 110, that's the remaining distance. So I can say train P is nearer to its destination. So P's destination is only 110 miles away from the point where they meet, and for Q the distance is 140 miles. So P is nearer to its destination. So from this statement we can say which train is nearer to its destination. So the statement is sufficient. It says AD BCE. So when statement 1 is sufficient, eliminate BCE. Second statement, it says train Q averaged a speed of 55 miles per hour for the entire trip. So for the entire trip the average speed was 55 miles per hour. But from this we cannot say that it covered 55 miles every hour. That was the average speed for the entire journey. So we don't know how much distance train Q will cover in first 2 hours, because they meet after 2 hours. So we don't know how much total distance Q will cover in 2 hours. So from this we cannot say how much distance Q will cover. Similarly, we don't know how much distance P will cover. So from this we cannot say which train is nearer to its destination. So second statement is not sufficient, hence answer is A. Thank you.